morning everyone, welcome to Minty Arise channel and Facebook page. How are you today? I hope you are very good today. So today we will finish lesson 36 which talk about the Garden of Gethsemane. So are you happy? Okay, so today we will learn 6 vocabulary words together. Now let's get started. For the first word we have sadness. Sadness. Sadness spelled S-A-D-N-E-S-S. Sadness. Sadness is a noun. For example, the boy is full of sadness because he could not go to school. The boy is full of sadness because he could not go to school. Second word we have sad. Sad. Sad spelled S-A-D. Sad is a noun. For example, she was feeling very sad when she lost her book. She was feeling very sad when she lost her book. The third word we have independence. Independence. Independence spelled I-N-D-E-P-E-N-D-E-N-C-E. Independence. Independence is a noun. For example, she doesn't want to lose her independence. She doesn't want to lose her independence. Fourth word we have independent. Independent. Independent spelled I-N-D-E-P-E-N-D-E-N-T. Independent. Independent is an adjective. For example, they have a good deal of independent authority. They have a good deal of independent authority. Fifth word we have importance. Importance. Importance spelled I-M-P-O-R-T-A-N-C-E. Importance. Importance is a noun. For example, they know the importance of education. They know the importance of education. And the last word we have important. Important. Important spelled I-M-P-O-R-T-A-N-T. Important. Important is an adjective. For example, nothing is important than friendship. Nothing is important than friendship. Okay, now this time I want all of you to repeat after me. So are you ready? Sadness. Sadness. Sad. Sad. Independence. Independence. Independent. Independent. Importance. Importance. Important. Important. Good job everyone. Thank you so much everyone for always watching the video until we finish lesson 36. I hope you like it. And the last one, I want you to find the words that are nouns and adjectives. And please don't forget to comment in this video. And if you do it right, we will give a thumb up. But it is not yet, we will have check. And if you want to learn more with Miss Jenny Taylor, you can go into YouTube link, click about below. And I will see you next time. Bye bye. God bless you.